Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete Spotify account. So go for your Spotify app. Now go for in this gear option. You scroll down and you can see here is the support option. Click on it. Now you have to search here delete account. After that you can see closing your account and deleting your account. So click on it and after that scroll down again and click on this close your account and delete your data. Click on close account. Now I have to go for continue. Check this I understand and go for continue. Okay. Now go to your email. So here it is. Now you have to click on close my account. So your account has been deleted. So this is how you can delete your Spotify account. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.